Hey guys, this is Eric Miller from M&M 2024. We're here in the Mega Booth in Cleveland, and I'm with Carl from GBS, and you're distributing a really interesting instrument that you have at your booth. Can you tell us what it is and what does it do?
Yeah, it's a system made by GBS. It's a smart white light interferometer, smart WLI for short, and it basically measures very accurately and precisely very smooth surfaces as well as structured surfaces. So if you have an edged feature like a spring for a MEMS device, you can measure the features, the feature height, the flatness, the roughness, smoothness basically of that surface.
So I know there are a lot of interferometers or surface profilometers and those types of instruments out on the market today. What is special about yours and why would people be interested in it?
Well, I've been in surface metrology for over 30 years, but what impressed me with the GBS systems was that they're incredibly fast, and that makes them really insusceptible to vibration. So we have a system over there on I would call it rickety little trade show table that shakes if you look at it, and we're measuring nanometer resolution surface roughnesses, which is outstanding.
Wow. So if people were interested in contacting you about that product or any of your other products, how do they find you?
Just call my phone number, 415-608-9956. Best way to do it.
Okay. Okay, well, thanks a lot, Carl. Okay, more to come. Thanks.